90% of your physics paper is going to come from this one video. I'm not saying that casually. I have the data, I have the proof with me that I'll be giving you after some time. But make sure everybody of you watch this particular video till the end and make sure you smash the like button. Now, there are two categories of students at this point of time. One, who have completed the entire syllabus. And the second category is who have not completed the syllabus. Their 60% is done, 70% is done. This video is for both the category students, okay? And my dear NEET aspirants, the category who have completed the syllabus, they have to check whether they have completed these questions that I'm going to give you in this particular video. And those students who have not completed, because I get calls every single day, I'm depressed, please give me the set of questions which I need to focus. At least I should get the maximum score in the upcoming time. At least I should get 130 score. At least I should get 120 plus score in my NEET physics. So my dear NEET aspirants, this video is particularly for all those candidates right now. Okay, now let me just begin with this particular video over here. Make sure you smash the like button and you watch till the end. First and the foremost thing, modern physics. I would say 8 to 9 questions are asked every single year from this particular portion. And my dear NEET aspirants, if you ask me, sir, how many questions have been asked from the modern physics portion in the past 10 years? I would say 70 to 80 questions from the past 10 years. Okay, 70 to 80 questions from the modern physics portion. And when it comes to modern physics, what is the topic? What is the question that you need to focus on? The first one is logic gates. It will hardly even, you can, if you search my logic gates on YouTube, you'll find it. I have completed logic gates in just 20 minutes with all the previous year questions of NEET and JEE. So we say logic gates, 15 questions have been asked from this particular topic in the past 6 to 7 years. Okay, can you imagine how important this is? Means every single year you can expect the question from this. Even 2 questions you can expect from this. Sometimes 2 questions have been asked from the logic gates. PN junction diode. In PN junction diode, you just have to learn forward biasing and reverse biasing and nothing else. So 10 questions have been asked, means 1 question is sorted, confirmed from this particular topic also. And hardly it will take you 30 to 40 minutes to cover. Not even 40 minutes, I would say 20 to 30 minutes. Then we say Bohr's model plus hydrogen spectrum. We say 17 questions till now have been asked from this particular portion. So means you can expect 1 or 2 questions every single year from this portion also. This is not a portion, this is a question, just a topic. Hardly it will take 20 minutes to cover. Then we say photoelectric equation. 13 questions from this particular topic, I must say in this particular case, till now. So 1 question from this also you can expect every single year. Then you have de Broglie's wavelength. Hardly it will require 10 minutes to cover. And this de Broglie's wavelength, 15 questions. And I have covered all these topics on YouTube. You can search my playlist and you can watch these. Complete modern physics you can see. Okay, 1 question from this or even sometimes 2 questions. Let's move on to the rotational motion. And when it comes to the rotational motion, my dear NEET aspirants, every single year, I would say, from this portion, you can expect 3 questions every single year. And when it comes to the torque and from this, torque and angular momentum, 17 questions have been asked from this till now. 17 questions in the past. I'm sure this is the data of past 7 to 8 years. So in the past 7 to 8 years, we say 17 questions means every single year, 1 or 2 questions. Moment of inertia and perpendicular and parallel axis theorem. You can see 12 questions from this one till now from past 7 to 8 years. So means 1 question confirmed from this one. Conservation of angular momentum. Hardly it is going to require 10 minutes to cover this particular topic. And I would say 8 questions till now from this one means 1 question is confirmed from this one also. So this is the rotational motion portion. Then comes on to the electrostatics. Till now, 47 questions have been asked when it comes to the electrostatics portion. 47 questions in the past 7 to 8 years. And Gauss law, like electric flux, you need to cover from this Gauss law plus electric flux and potential energy portion. So 20 questions have been asked. So means 2 questions confirmed from this every single year, my dear NEET aspirants. Equipotential surfaces and we say capacitors with dielectrics in this particular case, my dear NEET aspirants. So capacitors with dielectrics, you can basically go 18 questions. Every single year, 2 questions. So first you need to cover the capacitors in this one, study the capacitors, parallel plate capacitor, then study the multiple, when you place multiple dielectrics in the capacitors, like dielectrics in series, dielectrics in parallel, we say 1 or 2 questions is confirmed from this particular portion. Okay. Okay. And make sure you study some electric dipole also. Please study this also. From this also you can expect 1 question from the electrostatics portion. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, when it comes to the optics, huge weightage, you can say 4 questions from this also every single year. YDSC, till now 15 questions have been asked. This is from the wave optics portion. Okay, so means 1 question confirmed every single year, even sometimes 2 questions. Refraction and dispersion, 9 questions till now have been asked, means 1 question every single year confirmed. Lens and optical instruments, 20 questions till now. 2 questions confirmed every single year. Okay, then we say prism, critical angle and TIR. My dear NEET aspirants, 10 questions have been asked from this particular portion also. So when it comes to the diffraction, from the diffraction portion also, till now, 9 questions have been asked, 9 questions. So 4 questions you can expect from the entire optics. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, current electricity. We say Ohm's law. Here you need to cover the resistance, drift velocity, everything, okay? So 12 questions till now have been asked. So total of 58 questions till now. From past 8 to 9 years, we say 58 questions have been asked from this portion. We say Ohm's law, very important. Power and bulbs, very important. Combination of cells, total of 16 questions have been asked from these topics. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, resistance, current, drift velocity, this comes under Ohm's law only. Voltmeter, ammeter, meter bridge, these are the measuring instruments. 16 questions, extremely important. 16 questions have been asked from these, means 1 question is confirmed from these. And we say circuit analysis, that common potential, midpoint potential, finding the current in the resistor, finding the current potential across the resistor. So that comes under this. So 14 questions till now. So extremely important, my dear NEET aspirants, these topics over here. Kinematics, graphs, velocity time graph, acceleration time graph, and we say position time graph and graph conversion. From this, we say 10 questions you can expect over here. 10 questions you can expect. 10 questions have been asked. Sorry, not 10 questions expect every year. 10 questions till now have been asked from the graphs portion. So 2 to 3 questions from kinematics portion also. Equations of motion, 9 questions till now. Projectile motion, 11 questions till now. And in this one, horizontal range, maximum height, and that time of flight. And then rain man and river swimmer problem. These are the 2 problems which I have covered in detail in your kinematics portion also. When it comes to the next chapter, thermodynamics. So I have given you in this particular case 7 to 8 chapters, in which from every single chapter 3 to 4 topics I am giving. Thermodynamic processes, 13 questions. Very important, extremely important. Specific heat and Mayer's relation. First law of thermodynamics, very important. This comes under this only, okay? And then Carnot's and engine and efficiency, we say 10 questions from this one. So make sure you do this also. So 10 questions have been asked from this. So means you can expect 1 question from this one also. Then units and dimensions, extremely small chapter. 2 to 3 questions you can expect from this particular topic, from this chapter. Dimensional analysis you need to complete. Errors and significant figures and measuring devices like vernier caliber, okay, and script gauge. These are the topics you need to basically cover. So my dear NEET aspirants, first, my suggestion to each and every single student is study each and every single thing, okay, if you have completed. But if you are starting from the scratch, or if you are 60%, 70% is done, then my dear NEET aspirants, please try to look at these questions if you have covered these questions in your syllabus or not. This is definitely going to help you. Trust me, my dear NEET aspirants. Please do share it with your friends. Okay? And do smash the like button and comment down below. And my dear NEET aspirants, one more important thing. Right now, price drop is going on inside the Unacademy. Okay? 72 hours of lowest price ever in all NEET UG subscriptions. So my dear NEET aspirants, at this point of time, we say 1 year NEET aspirants. If you go for 1 year preparation, only you need to pay for 4,699 rupees. And this is this offer is valid till March 2022. And my dear NEET aspirants, if you are looking to take Unacademy subscription, right now is the best time to take Unacademy subscription, because you'll be getting the maximum possible discount. And if you want to basically if you want the maximum possible discount, you can use basically my code, that is YAWAR. Okay. So my dear NEET aspirants, the link is in the description below. Click on to that link. You can basically enroll in this one. So take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much.